How to verify proof of purchase for Lululemon return. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to do so, you need to show the evidence that you have bought the item from Lululemon. So here are the accepted ways we can follow up step by step. So we can go to our email as well, go to gmail.com and basically look out for the order confirmation email that you've received after purchasing. Works as proof. You can show it on your phone or print it out. Apart from that, if you bought it in store, you should be finding a receipt. You can show that, and that is the best proof of purchases. And within the website, what we can do is we can basically sign into our Lululemon account and go to our purchase history. Look out for the profile option in the top right corner and select the purchase history from the menu in the top. Just go over and select it. And once we go to the purchase history, we can look out for the order details. To verify the purchase, you can show them that, and if the item was a gift, the gift receipt can also be used for a return or exchange. Sometimes a store educator can look up for the purchase using the card used for the payment, but this only works for store purchases and within a certain time frame. And returns usually receive the item to be unworn, unwashed with tags and attached. Without proof of purchase, a store may only offer exchange or store credit or may decline the return depending upon the situation. But usually that is how we verify the proof of purchase for Lululemon return. Those are the ones you can check it out on their website as well. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.